Hey, welcome back. This weekend is my birthday, and since last week you guys let me have some quality me time, this week, I wanted to do something that you all have been requesting for months. I see your comments, you've been typing them everywhere, that you would like me to follow along with a Bob Ross painting tutorial. Now, it's just gonna be a painting. You already know what's gonna happen. But I want to do this in the most respectful way possible because Bob Ross was a wonderful man. He actually means so much to so many people. So I don't just wanna make an abomination. I'm actually gonna try and make this a beautiful painting, and I hope that that's what you wanna see, because that's literally what you asked for. So I went to the YouTubes and I picked a beautiful Bob Ross painting that I would love to have in my house. I got everything that I think that I need. And I'm also gonna do a coat of liquid white, which from my understanding, no one really knows what that is, but it's a mixture of titanium white paint and some sort of oil. I laid my colors out on the palette. Bob just knows the colors off the top of his head. I've left them out in order so I can remember which ones are which. Now, I am not a painter by any means. I think most of you know that. Is that too white? Let's put some more oil in it. I didn't really watch Bob Ross, I'd say, until I was an adult. I watched a lot of like Mr. Rogers. After that, it was like TV off, go outside, play on a swing set, and shut up. I'm kidding. But as an adult, I've watched a fair amount of him, and you can tell from just like watching one video of his why he's such a loved person. He's a calming, warming, positive presence in a world full of chaos, and everyone remembers the person that makes them feel like that. For so many people, it's Bob Ross. I promise you, if any jokes are made in this video, they're all purely at my ability or lack thereof, and none would ever be directed towards Bob. Does this look right? There's a marble hair like right in the middle. Dear artists that have pets, how do you deal with this? Basically just makes everything slippy and wet so that you can blend all of the colors on top of it. It's like an eyeshadow primer. I went ahead and wore a shirt that was already pre-stained with toothpaste, so I'm not gonna be upset if it gets paint on it. The one that I chose is called Sunset Aglow. Here we go.
Welcome back. Certainly glad you could join us today. I thought today we'd do a painting that
I'm already
just has a
feeling
lot
my
of color in
feelings.
it, one that'll make you feel good inside. So let's start out and have them run all the colors across the screen that you need
I
to
got
paint
all of
along
them at
with
the
us.
store.
While they're doing that,
They're
let me
all
tell you
right
what I've
here.
got done up here. Let's do it. We'll start with our little tiny 2-inch brush today. We'll go right into a small amount of the Indian yellow.
Oh wait, this is
bit of
Indian
yellow
yellow.
ochre.
I have a fair amount of art fear. Can't make decisions that require like finality.
I don't think you have enough paint on there.
This is super light. You gotta be gentle with just little amounts of paint. It's not an Aries painting. I feel like you can see my brush strokes and you can't see his. You can tell that my easel is very sturdy because it bounces every time that I do something.
Now, without cleaning the brush, I'll go right into a little bit of yellow ochre.
The same brush without washing it, which I love because that's how I do my makeup. This guy, just a little bit. I have art fear. Oh, there's one of the brush hairs in there. His just looks so nice and smooth, and mine just looks like an actually hairy sunset.
You have better brushes than you?
Yeah, probably. I bought these in a pack for like $5. So some of his strokes are like a lot broader this way, so I'm gonna try that. There's so many factors that I feel like I've goofed up on.
Be careful with the bright red. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color.
I'm gonna be careful,
But it
Bob.
is so strong. Whew.
Okay.
1 tube would turn the whole Atlantic Ocean red.
There's brush strokes. It's a good thing that Bob's really positive all the time because he always tells you that you can do it. So I know although my sunset has racing stripes, I know it's gonna be okay. His is so blended. How do I get mine to be blended like that? Look at my brush. Why is my brush so angry at its light? So his red extends like across the length of this, so we gotta get some more red, which is making me nervous because I'm just nervous in general. So what I've learned so far is that you really just gotta go for it. You can't do these nervous, hairy strokes. You gotta watch Bob and just really go for it. I'm gonna make it more red now that my confidence is building. Uh-oh. Oh God, what have I done? Bob, I've blended too far. What do I do? Leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone. I was getting a little worried there that my too much gene was gonna kick in and we were just gonna have a red Armageddon sky. But Bob reminded me to stay confident in myself. Let's see what he does.
Let's use a lavender color. We'll just brush mix it here. I'll use a little phthalo blue.
Okay,
alizarin crimson,
Phthalo blue.
proportionately.
How did he mix that without ruining this whole thing? Wait, hold on, Bob. Can you imagine doing this live, like on TV, and you didn't have YouTube? His came out like lavender, but mine's just sort of like, oh, I'm getting sweaty from the art fear.
Just wherever.
He said, oh, I've definitely done the liquid white wrong. It's dripping into my sunset. So he says, just do it wherever.
Maybe I'll touch a little phthalo blue and just hit it here.
Gorgeous colors.
Shake it off. Just beat the devil out of it.
To beat the devil out of my brush, I'm going to take it over to my garbage because I'm not in an art studio, I'm in my home. So I will beat the devil in an appropriate place and not ruin my floors. There's purple everywhere. The devil is everywhere. I've resorted to just wiping the devil, which I think is still helpful. Power of Christ compels you. Didn't that help?
Yeah, that helps.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna blend this so it doesn't matter if there's still a little purple in there.
That's beautiful.
The devil's still in here. Why do I always do it? Like I'm doing fine and then I just get one devil in there. There's a big brush hair right in the middle. Wait, Bob, I got red in the sky. Don't give up on me, Bob.
I'm gonna go into the titanium white. I'll be right back. Don't go away. There.
Okay.
Don't go away.
A little bright red with it.
A little
Shooting
bright
just like
red
a
with it.
firecracker, sparkler. Go up in here. Big old cloud right up in here. It just sort of floats around, has a good time all day.
He has a good time
You know,
all
clouds
day
are
like me.
one of the freest things in
Okay.
nature, I believe. So let them have fun wherever you want them. Let them go. There. Maybe, I don't know.
Wherever I want them.
Just decide where these clouds live in your world and put them in. I'm gonna get our little
Oh my God, is he done with the clouds already?
Bit of white with it. Just
Go back,
begin
Bob, hold
putting
on.
in all kinds of.
What is that?
There they go.
What is he
There they
making?
go.
Oh, Bob.
Reach over here.
Oh, I'm scared. I have art fear.
Something like that. Wherever.
This, he just like, he like bangs these out.
His
And
floating technique is off the charts.
how does he like decide where they go?
He has a vision of it. Do you have a vision? Do you see something?
No, I see nothing all the time. Looks like somebody just punched a yellow pillowcase and a bunch of feathers came out. He just makes it look so easy and beautiful.
Nice dark cloud in here.
A dark cloud?
Contrast it'll sparkle.
Okay.
It'll absolutely sparkle.
He says it's gonna sparkle, but I'm nervous.
Lightly.
Oh,
Just take
he's
pure
got white on a
titanium
knife.
white. I'm
Okay,
just
hold
gonna
on.
use it because we don't make mistakes.
I can't blend with this.
I get excited when I see these. They turn me on. There. I like very quiet little squirrel.
Okay, well, he's showing his squirrels, which I deeply appreciate on a spiritual level. I'm gonna try and fluff up my clouds with this little brush. Maybe I should have used this little brush like before. Or am I just making too many clouds? Help. Press 1 in the comments now if my too much gene is being too much. I think we're doing okay. Oh, he just has these like beautiful looking clouds. More lavender in the bottom.
We're gonna just put that right down in here. Maybe we'll have a little mountain that lives way back in the distance here.
You already made a mountain, Bob? Oh,
We'll
okay,
grab
Bob,
that
hold on.
and firmly
I'm still mixing the
pull it
paint, Bob.
Far away. Quiet little mountain. Quiet little dude. He lives way out there.
Mine's like a loud mountain,
Take some
though.
Prussian blue, alizarin crimson.
Hold
Much
on,
more crimson than
the
blue.
mountain's still loud. Hold on,
black
Bob. I can't keep up. Oh, I need paper towel to get the devil out of this brush. Is he quiet? Oh my God, that is so aesthetically pleasing. Oh, he's already got his knife out.
Let's have some fun. You know me.
I'm ready to have fun.
I like trees. Let's
I
make a
also
tree.
like trees. How is he doing that so fast?
Why not?
Bob, I'm
Me.
still on the first 3. Wait, he just made land out of nothing. He's like a volcano.
I want this to be a
am
dark
I?
green. Dark green.
Dark green, dark green.
And put the indication here and there and there and here. Some
I'm
little
still mixing
highlights.
colors. How did he do
Same
that
thing
so
over
fast?
here.
He did this end part faster than anything I've ever done in my life.
Add a
Then he
little
took
path.
his knife, which is somehow magically clean again,
Just a little
and
path.
made a little path.
I've certainly enjoyed our time together. And I hope you try this one. From all of us here, I'd like to wish you happy
He's
painting.
done.
And God bless, my friend.
Oh, still trying to figure out what he did. Well, I think that's it. Bob Ross has absolutely no paint on his shirt, not on his jeans, not on his hands, and I have managed to ruin almost everything in this entire room. You know what I did?
What?
I put the water line under what he called the reflection, so it's reflecting a reflection up into the mountain. Why don't I fix that? That makes more sense, right? My painting had a fatal flaw in it. I'm gonna show mine versus his. It's not really about your ability, it's just about the freedom and the joy of painting, am I right? Bob Ross holds such a nostalgic and wonderful place in so many people's hearts that it is fun to see someone just recreate one of his paintings. So I think my too much gene really took over in a lot of places, and I did put an awful lot amount of liquid white on the canvas before we began. But other than that, he makes it really nice and fun and relaxing. And I also I wanted to do something nice. This weekend's my birthday, so I made myself a painting for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. This was really enjoyable. Do you like it?
Well, now we have a piece of art to remember this forever
Where are we gonna hang it?
on the kitchen ceiling.
Oh, perfect. I was thinking the kitchen ceiling too. I know this wasn't too terribly exciting, but this is literally what you guys have been requesting since forever. So here is my version of Bob Ross's Sunset Aglow. I hope I did okay. And I hope that you know how much respect and love I have for Bob Ross. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every Wednesday/Thursday. Can you hang it up somewhere now?
It's wet.
Yeah, but then it'll drip onto the wall and that'll be part of the art.
No.
Yeah.
That's not, no, I'm not doing
Yeah,
that.
no, I
I'm
think
not-
that's
no,
good.
I'm not doing that. I'm absolutely not doing that.
It's my birthday.
Okay, I'll do it.
Thank you. Bye.